5-minute flight time. Let's turn on the Hawaiian music. Just got to the airport. Les quería enseñar this new uniform piece. This is one of our new uniform pieces, which is this cute little vest. And it has a little tie in the back. Que piensan? Today we are flying San Francisco to Los Angeles. I'm here at the airport. I am just going to freshen up a little bit. Y luego, yeah, I'm gonna go check in at Alright, the oxygen bottles have oxygen. Tonight we are flying to New York and I'm super excited. It's gonna be beautiful weather. I think it's in the high 80s, low 90s. We are laying over in Manhattan and I love the hotel, I love the location. So I'm super excited and looking forward to the layover. It's a red-eye flight, so hopefully everybody goes to sleep. We are flying back to San Francisco, and my friend's picking me up. Mi amiga me va a recoger from the airport because my mom doesn't get home until super late, so she wasn't going to be able to pick me up until almost like 6 p.m. and we land at 10 in the morning. So my friend's so sweet and she's picking me up, so I'm excited to see her. We just landed back in San Francisco. Ahorita me voy a cambiar because, like I said, my friend's picking me up. to the airport. Yeah, it looks like we're delayed 30 minutes, so I just came to this little corner to hide. But we are flying over to Boston tonight. It is the early red eye. Just made it to our hotel here in Boston. We just got in from the red eye and it is currently 7 in the morning, so estoy super cansada and I'm gonna go to sleep in just a little bit. But our flight was pretty good, pretty uneventful, and it was pretty quick. I'm working with one of my friends, so I was super excited to see him. I was able to catch up with Sabrina right before the flight and see how she's doing como una mujer casada now that she is married. We have a 25-hour layover here in Boston, and I know I'm gonna go to the gym. I wanna go to Tate's to have breakfast, so I bet what time I wake up. I am setting an alarm for 1, so I will sleep 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. I'll sleep 6 hours, and yeah, I'll wake up at 1, go get late breakfast, and go to the gym, maybe walk around a little bit. I think the crew wants to do something, so we'll see if I'm in the mood, because I kind of just wanted to slam click. Slam click is a term that we use in the airline industry when, well, I guess it wouldn't technically be a slam click because I am actually going out, but just by myself. Slam click is basically when you get to your room, you slam the door and you click it, as in you do the lock, y no vas a salir. So that's what you call a slam clicker, is basically someone that doesn't go out on the layover and just stays in their hotel room. And I feel like sometimes I am a slam clicker, or sometimes I just like to do my own thing. We'll see what we end up doing. But for now, voy a quitar mi maquillaje and I'm gonna go to sleep. So see you guys later. Buenos dias. I am getting ready. I'm pretty much ready. I'm going bare skinned. Put a little bit of gloss on because my lips were a little chapped, but I'm gonna go get breakfast, late breakfast at Tate Bakery here in Boston. One of my coworkers is coming. He said he'll go and get breakfast with me, so I'm super excited to have someone to go with. And yeah, I haven't seen him in a while, and I feel like every time I see him, I'm like scared it's gonna be the last time, because he is está viejito, so I don't know how much longer he's gonna be working for the company. But yeah, ahorita vamos a ir to Tate Bakery. I'm super excited. He's never been, so I'm excited. I get excited when I get to show somebody a spot that a mí me gusta and they've never been. When I was in DC, my coworkers took me to this whole entire side. I never brought you guys up, but they took me to this whole other side of our layover in downtown Alexandria, where there's a marina, there's water. They were having live music and people dancing there by the pier. It was so cute, and I didn't know all of that was walking distance from our hotel. I feel like sometimes you get stuck in a routine, which I think Tate is part of my routine here in Boston. But Tate is so good. I think it's native or it's like a local cafe here, because they have one in every corner. They just have really good coffee, pastries, and food. But I need to go because I told them we'd meet downstairs in 15 minutes, so vámonos. Good morning. I look crazy. I had the worst sleep last night. I basically couldn't go to sleep till almost 3. I don't know why, but I was checking my work emails last night and I got the most disheartening email from basically a supervisor, and it was regarding discipline, and I don't ever want to share. I literally look crazy. I'm just tired. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I am right now. I don't know where I stand. This isn't the first time that something like this has happened. And I'm just, I don't know. I'm kind of just over it. And my mom has told me to, this is all like just behind the scenes information, and yeah, I'm not trying to be like a Debbie Downer, but my mom has told me that I need to find another job. We're in the middle of a new contract, so I'm trying to hold on for hopefully better pay and better just work rules overall. Now I have so much potential, and I mean, I don't know if that's just her being a parent, but she said like that I should find a job where they actually value, support me, and are excited to have me, and not this job where I feel like I'm constantly living in fear because any little thing they get upset about, or they want to have a talk. There's just a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes that isn't that pretty. And I feel like I feel even worse when stuff like this happens, because there has been so many times I've needed support, or something happens on the plane and I write a report or I request feedback, and I don't get any of that. There's just a lot of mixed emotions because I really love the people that I work with. I'm just like really confused, and I don't know, I'm just kind of like a mess right now. I just need to really figure out what I want. I don't know. Let me finish getting ready. Alright, yeah, these stuff.